Moremi was said to be a princess from the town of Ofa and lived in the 12th century. Her beauty was famous throughout the time, and she remains revered as one of the most beautiful Yoruba women that ever lived. In the 12th century, Ile-Ife faced frequent raids from the neighboring Ugbo kingdom. The attackers, disguised in raffia, were believed to be spirits instilling fear among the people of Ife. Queen Moremi Ajasoro, married to King Oromiyan, took a courageous step to end these invasions. She made a vow to the goddess Esemere, the river deity, pledging a great sacrifice if she could uncover the secret behind the raiders' fearsome appearances. She then allowed herself to be captured by the Ugbo to learn their secrets. Discovering the raiders were mortal men who feared fire, she escaped and shared this knowledge with her people. Armed with this insight, Ile-Ife successfully repelled the invaders. However, to fulfill a vow she made for the success of her mission, Moremi sacrificed her only son, Oluorobo, showcasing her proven dedication to her people. Her statue stands tall in Ile-Ife today.